intact. It's all the shell. You can see the empty eyes here. It's real totally empty.
Oh, yeah.
It comes from South America, not from here. It comes in larval form inside the ship, ballast water of the ship, and then established in the Mediterranean Sea. Is one of the signs of tropicalization of the Mediterranean Sea.
Crazy.
It's like a shell.
There's one down here.
It's so beautiful. They're full of spine, echino. No? Okay. Okay, let's try. On your hand.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, no, I don't need to do that.
Sorry, it's weird.
It's cool.
Oh my god. because it's very delicate. It's like paper. It's the skeleton of the sand sea urchin. And you can see in the middle there is a star.
I'm just saying, it's just a little hot enough. Is that fun? So we had a great day snorkeling around the Sorrento and Amalfi coast. That kind of came together there, right by Isle of Capri.
That was a really last minute trip. We planned it like yesterday afternoon, but it was great. It was fun.
Yeah, we were out there for like
unexpected.
4 or 5 hours actually out there. It was
Sunburned.
pretty fun. Sunburn, yeah.
Naturally.
Now we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping, so we're gonna take you with us, and we're going to get some dinner later on for our last night here in Sorrento, Italy.
We are eating dinner at Marina. It's 100% probably not how you pronounce that, but it gets really good reviews on everywhere. So we were standing outside looking at the menu. All the places have the menus outside, and there were 2 American couples sitting out there, and they're like, "Oh, this place gets like a 5-star review on Yelp, and this is our like 2nd time eating here or whatever." And they were like, "If you want pizza, go to Frankie's." And we're like, "Oh, we've already been to Frankie's 3 times in 5 days." And they were like, "Oh no, we'll eat here," or "We ate." No. They ate someplace else the other night, and they didn't like the food, so they ended up going to Frankie's to get like pizza or whatever they ordered. But it's just really funny because we've had Frankie's and that was our first meal here, and we loved it. So this place has really, really good reviews. So we have high hopes for it. It's only sandwiches or like a cheese platter. There's a word for that, but I can't think of it. Anyways, we'll let you know how it is.
What did you get?
Alright. This is black truffle pate with cherry tomatoes, arugula, and burrata? Where's my mozzarella? I don't know. It's amazing. What'd you get, baby?
I got salami, mozzarella, and soft bread.
I got ham, mushrooms and oil, smoked cheese, and tomato pate. Sorrento mozzarella is the best mozzarella.
It's excellent.
Yes, very good. Comes from the mountains, right? The mountains of Sorrento right there.
Yes.
because it produces the milk for the cows or whatever. So it's very good. And Marina, 5 stars. Very good.
5 stars. Yes.
Good sandwiches. It's 20:50 at night. Our last night here in Sorrento. I had to make a quick pit stop.
For gelato?
No, we had to make a quick pit stop back at our Airbnb. Had to pee. And now we were on another mission. Last mission. Gelato and
The truffle store.
probably the truffle store. For some reason, a lot of cats like to stay up here. Nope, don't you jump down. Holy crap.
1, 2. Wait. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go. Look at this truffle.
Can't afford that.
This is €80. Oh, you can smell it. So what did you think about the truffle store?
Oh, it was expensive. I can get black truffles in a little jar. They're Reva. What's that called? It's a special, like a specialty. Anyways, for €5, I can make my own pate. I can make my own oil. I can make whatever I want because I have the truffles to start from, and it's like way cheaper. So we didn't get anything.
Good choice. Definitely a good choice. Little police eye action here. Riding down the street. You don't get to see that too often because they're not really around. At least not in Sorrento, they're not. And now, gelato. Super hot. I got Snickers. What'd you get?
Lemon peels vanilla.
Kiwi and pistachio.
Kiwi and pistachio. Do we like this place?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. What do we think of Sorrento?
I like it. Pretty touristy.
Pretty touristy, but will we come back?
Yes.
That's a definite 5 stars on Sorrento.
Is this on?
Yeah.
Alright. And what's really funny is how do I turn this front on?